Good morning, student. Today will be study of class 7th, subject moral science. Your book name is Friendship with Values. Now will be start chapter 1. Chapter 1. Chapter 1 title is Method of Working. This chapter is a story. When we are faced with a problem, we have to find out a method to solve it. Similarly, when we have to do some work, we have to find a method to accomplish it. Our success to a great measure depends on the method we choose. If we choose an effective method, the chances of our success are multiplied. On the other hand, if we choose an inopportune method, success may elude us. So it is necessary that we choose a suitable method. Also, if we have chosen a method and it is not working well, then we should go for another method which can be suitable. If we do not take timely action, it may result in only depression. This fact can be well illustrated by the incidence of a pair of pigeons. Which made its nest in Rohit house. About 2 years back, a pair of pigeons flew into the roofed balcony of Rohit house. It looked for a number of suitable places where it could make its nest. Cupboard, fan, staircase, but the place it liked most was the electric tube. The male pigeon would bring twigs, strands, and other things to make the nest, which the female pigeon would arrange into a nest. A nest was ready in 4 to 5 days time. Though it was quite haphazard in shape. The pair was making the place dirty, yet Rohit allowed them to live on. He liked to watch them from the room which opened into the balcony. In a few days, the female pigeons laid eggs. Both parents used to hatch eggs in turn. One of them sat on the eggs while the other was looking out for food. When it returned, it replaced the other bird. One day, when the birds were not there, Rohit is told to see how many eggs there were. One, two, three, and four. There, there were a total of four eggs in the nest. In about three weeks, the egg hatched, hatched and tiny nestling appeared from them. It was a magnificent scene to look at the mother bird feeding in nestling. After the nestling grew and flew away, the pairs of pigeons returned again in a few weeks and stood the process all over again, remaking the nest, laying eggs, hatching them, and feeding them. Rohit had not removed the old nest until the time. This process went on for a number of times, but the birds had not been tidy. They often threw down the twigs here and there all over the balcony. Sometimes they were careless enough due to each eggs fell on the floor and broke. Therefore, Rohit made a wooden resting house for the birds so that they might have a secure house where they could make their nest by their eggs and hatch them. He suspended it on a peg in the wall. The birds and the bird did not. He suspended it on a peg in the wall. The birds did not seem to like it, while Rohit was not willing to allow the bird to continue with their nest at the electric tube. So he removed it the day when it was not occupied by any bird or nestling. Not only this, he also removed the electric tube so that they would not be able to make another nest there. A few weeks later, the time was nearing for the pair of birds to lay eggs again. They looked for here and there for an alternative place but could not find one. They used to sit for long hours on the fan hoping that the electric tube would return to its place, but to no result. And when the time came, the female pigeon could no more postpone laying eggs. It laid its eggs sitting on the fan itself. All the four eggs fell down and broke. There could not have been any other way. The pigeon could do nothing but hopelessly look at the broken egg. They flew away, cursing themselves. This small story tells us one thing for certain: we should find a suitable method which can stand us in good stead. And in case this method is not working properly, we should look for an alternative method. It we keep watching mainly for some opportunity, some opportune movement. It may not result in anything worthwhile and the end outcome may be only destroys as it happened with the birds. Moral of the story: a suitable method should be chosen to solve a problem or to do a task. Number 2, if a method is not found suitable, another method should be tried. Delay in choosing a suitable method can only result in failure. Now complete your lesson. Your homework is read lesson 1.